Good morning to you viewers, this is the Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange for British Imperial YouTube Broadcasting. Today we've got something rather unusual. I'm using my blue Electrola 101. It's identical to an ordinary HMV 101, just says Electrola on it, made for the German market of course. After the, well, 1927, something like that, I don't know. Anyway viewers, see what you think of this. It's Lustige Brüder, Jolly Fellows Waltz. Don't want people thinking I'm German, do we? Played by the International Novelty Orchestra. Here we go. See what you think of this bit. There we go. That's that bit of demonstration. Now I'm going to try a different soundbox. I'll just put you down a moment. There we go. Remove the number 4, and now I'm going to put on a Norma Soundbox. There we go. Not an Abbey Normal. No viewers, this is a Norma Soundbox. Here we go. Right, same type of needle, and I'll just start that off. There we go. And see what you think of the difference. Oh dear. I'll stop that there viewers, and you can see the Norma Soundbox and detachable tone arm. There we go. Try not to scratch that anymore. Now as you can see, the stylus bar has no fixings. It is not attached in any way apart from to the fitting at the back. There we go, which has got the adjustable tone arm. Now I'll take that adjustable arm off and start it again. So as you can see, the Norma Soundbox, the original number 4 Soundbox, gave a rather tinny and harsh tone, even with a wonderfully recorded record like that. But the Norma Soundbox and arm gives a much fuller, rounder tone. And on a cheap tatty portable, not a lovely Electrola like this, on a cheap tatty one, it makes it sound rather like a table grand. Wonderful improvement. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. Thank you and goodbye.